My question is, I don't want anything to do with my child's father, so can I gain full custody of our child even if I'm bipolar? Okay, first, thank you for being so candid and blunt. This is a question that everyone on both sides of this issue have, but few have the guts to ask or have the guts to accept an equally blunt response. That stated, I will try to give you an answer in the same vein as your question. Now let's talk about suffering from bipolar disorder. I'm amazed at the number of people who will say things to me, I'm a divorce lawyer, like, my child is autistic, when in fact the child has never been diagnosed by a competent mental health professional with autism. There are a lot of people who will claim as fact that which they believe. They are not the same. This is often the case with personality disorders. I can't tell you how many times people come to my office and say something like, quote, my wife has borderline personality disorder, BPD, or, quote, my husband is a narcissist and or suffers from narcissistic personality disorder, NPD, and, quote, my spouse has bipolar disorder, without there being ever a diagnosis by a competent mental health professional. So, the first question we need to answer is whether you truly are bipolar or whether you and or your spouse just believe you are. Next, if you are in fact bipolar, you need to determine whether your condition renders you dangerous to yourself and or to others. By the way, this would be true of any serious mental health or serious personality disorder, not just bipolar. If you are bipolar or suffer from serious mental health problems, that doesn't necessarily mean you are a danger to yourself or others. Let me explain. Many mental health and emotional disorders can be successfully treated with medication and or counseling or therapy, so that someone with such a condition is no less fit as a parent than someone with a serious physical condition that is being successfully treated. Bottom line, merely suffering from bipolar disorder is not an absolute bar to being awarded sole or joint custody of a child. Without a showing that the bipolar disorder causes you to be a danger to yourself or to others, including your children, of course, evidence that you merely suffer from bipolar disorder or some other mental health or emotional disorder or disorders is not enough to knock you out of the custody box.